Hello and welcome to a VO's journey. Today's show is going to be really unique. We're going to do a show on a voice acting tip called the whisper in your ear technique. I kind of came up with a way to show you this technique, but it wasn't. I don't recall where I got the idea to do this particular method, but the way I'm going to show you is all mine. But basically the idea here is when we are narrating or when we are trying to do a voiceover for a piece that is emotional, trying to connect, trying to be intimate, whether it's an audio book and you're narrating a intense part or a part that's supposed to build tension, or an intimate part, or you're doing a video narration you're doing a voiceover for inspirational or thought-provoking video, which we're doing a lot of today. This is a technique, and I call it whisper in the ear. So we're going to have some fun. I have with me a piece of paper, and I have a pair of scissors. And, of course, I've got my microphone. Now, the whole idea with this, the idea with whisper in the ear technique is that we want to pretend that our microphone is an ear. And when we go to narrate a voiceover, we are going to want to whisper or speak as if we're speaking in someone's ear. And I'm a big advocate for showing, show, don't tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to do my very best to cut out, I'm going to cut out an ear. Okay. So I'm going to cut out the shape of an ear. Okay. So I think I've got this here, and then we're going to come around. It's got like the top of the earlobe, and then you can see I'm cutting this out here, and then you come down and kind of like this, and then it goes in, and then it kind of comes around like that. All right, so that's my attempt at making an ear. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to fold it, and I'm just going to cut out a little circle here in the middle of my ear, like so. All right, and now I've got a hole in my ear. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microphone, all right, and I'm going to actually put it over my microphone like this, okay? And I hope that you can see, let me see if I can turn it towards you. All right, so this is my ear and my microphone. And basically what I want to do is, and you can have fun with this. By the way, I know this is silly, but with your kids at home, it's a great activity. They can like paint you ears. But anyways, or they can color you ears. But anyways, what this does is with this here, all right, you see I've got this ear on my microphone. What it does mentally for me is it makes, when I go to speak into the microphone, it's as if I'm whispering in the ear, right? And that's the whole part. So if I come up to here and I start to say something, I don't know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, like I'm whispering, hey, I wanted to tell you about something really special. It's really unique because, see, by doing this, it makes me feel like I'm whispering in your ear. So I'm not going to be too loud. I'm actually going to be soft. I'm going to get close to the microphone, and it's really going to give a unique sound. It's got a breathy sound to it, but more importantly, it sounds sweet. It also sounds gentle, but it also can build tension, right? Because it's quiet. And a lot of times when we want people to listen, they listen when we are quieter, right? Instead of yelling all the times, right? They listen when we are quieter. So this is, you can hear my kids yelling in the background, but this is a great technique for you to figure out how to whisper during a read. And it's funny because when you listen back to it and you get close to the mic, it might be at a whisper, but it's not actually terribly bad. It's not actually too quiet that people can't hear it. It's actually really cool technique. So anyways, if you have a voiceover that you're trying to narrate something that might be maybe a little inspirational or might be emotional or intimate, or you're trying to evoke, some feelings of intensity or like I said, closeness. This is a great technique. It's the ear on the microphone technique. I'm going to show you again. It's the ear on the microphone technique so that it looks like you are actually narrating into someone's ear. All right, thank you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, share this with somebody who wants a laugh and also get some good tips. I hope you are staying safe, and my thoughts and prayers go out to you during this crazy time. All right, you guys have a good one. Bye-bye.